airport, guys. Naka 20. Oh, Kitty Fines. Hello, Kitty Fines. How are you? Ayan, stop line. Nasa bayan tayo ng Alaska. Ayan, papunta na tayo sa city ng Alaska. Welcome here, Kitty Fines. Oh yeah, you wanna do it time? You wanna get
No, we don't have
okay.
On the way home, we will.
Okay,
Something like
thank
that.
you. But I did this one. It's relatively clean, right?
Oh yeah, yeah. It's all ice now.
Ayan, babaeng pinagpala. Ayan, guys. So, andito na kami sa bayan. And then, mga, how many more minutes to the airport? Ano tayo, guys? 24 minutes. So, yan. So, dito na sa bayan. Malapit na sa airport. Busy-busy na check-in. And then, punta sa warm weather. Makakuha ng vitamin D. Yeah, it's clean here. Yeah, dun lang sa highway.
Yeah, they didn't have.
Not much snow here. Wow,
They
they
got-
probably, they plowed really good, ha?
No, yeah.
Ayan, wala masyadong snow. Ayan, snow dito sa bayan. Oh, wow, they plow it really good this time. They really clear it. I think they just cleared this one. What do you think?
Yeah, see way over there. Yeah.
Yeah, I think they just
They
did
just
it. Oh, wow.
See how far over? Yeah.
Yep,
Yeah.
it's like the road is so wide.
3 lanes. Yeah. they're
Well,
far away.
before, see, they clean it. Yeah. Guys. Okay. They probably take advantage. It's like,
See,
this
they-
one does not.
They
Yeah.
haven't nailed this one.
This is what I'm used to.
But this isn't really all that bad. So they got all day Sunday, then Sunday night into Monday. So the thing is, they lucked out on the timing of the storm.
Yeah. Ayan, dito sa bayan, guys. May mga gising pa talaga kahit alas 3 ng madaling araw. Ayan, guys. Minsan mga homeless siguro. Oh, wow, there's party. Nagpa-party. Oh, there's a bar. They're really, oh, wow. Yeah.
It's all over. It was 3:30.
3:30. They're still awake.
Yeah.
Oo, may bar pa. Oh, this is in the bar. So what do you do in the bar?
Yeah.
Just drinks. So, ang tagal ko na din nagaganyan, mga ganyan. I think sa Pilipinas pa yung huli. Oo, dito sa city na. Oh, somebody's working on that one. Wow.
Sunday night and Monday morning.
Oh,
Working all night. It's pretty good.
grabe na may mga homeless din kami. Ang lamig. Oh, this is the new building. Last year, they're building that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kagawad TV of